My name is Patricia de Lille, Minister of Tourism for South Africa.
Minister, thank you so much for joining Breaking Travel News here at UN Tourism. It's the 26th General Assembly.
Yes.
First of all, some key reflections and perspectives from you.
Well, certainly Saudi Arabia, we must thank them for their hospitality, because we are here to celebrate 50 years of UN tourism, but we're also here to plan for the next 50 years. So my reflection is that excellent conference organization. Saudi people are very warm and receptive, and we want to thank them for that.
And how important is it for South Africa to have a role and a voice and a place in this organization?
Well, South Africa has played an important role in the past few years. We serve on the UN Tourism Executive Council. I was the first vice president of the council. And under the leadership of the Minister of Saudi, Minister Al-Khatib, we have brought a lot of changes to UN tourism. But key to that was really sharing knowledge, sharing experiences, and working together to build sustainable, responsible tourism sector in the whole world.
And as we draw this sort of chapter to a close, there's talk about the next 50 years and this being a new chapter. What are you kind of most excited about in terms of what's next?
What's next, but it's already started, of course, is digital technology and AI, and how we can use AI to make tourism more efficient and effective, but also how do we keep the balance? AI cannot replace humanity. Tourism still needs that human touch, and it's going to be finding that balance, but also getting the sector ready with the necessary skills to use AI, to use digital transformation. So training of, especially of young people and women, is important for the next 50 years.
Minister, thank you for your time today.
Thank you.